got some
Yo,
gas,
it's good.
You got some gas?
Yeah, I got that that Obama run to him that right now.
Let me get some of that.
Shit, 150.
150?
Yeah, I believe that's reasonable. Some niggas charging about 250.
It's about to get reasonable in 3 seconds, though, twin.
Is that an AR rifle, my guy?
Hell yeah, though. Come on, bro. Man, come on with that shit.
I'm just saying, bro. You ain't even gotta do that to me, bro.
Twin, listen, twin. I'm not with all
bro,
the
you
talking.
Can't just pay for the shit.
Twin, I'm not with all the talking. This ARP gonna stand on your ass. I'm not playing with you. Stop fucking playing with me while you hitting that shit.
You try to hit
I don't want to hit that shit, man. Give me that shit up, folks. Stop playing with me before I smack you with the blick.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come up all that. You know what I'm saying? Like real nigga shit.
Swiss cheese your whole car right now.
Nigga, what?